It's difficult to imagine in today's world of transcontinental travel that for thousands of years, people living on the European continent had no idea that North America even existed. However, because of the explorers whose spirit of adventure took them to far-off places to find new lands and different cultures, the world today is connected. In this program, we'll learn about European adventurers who explored North America. The first known explorer to North America was Leif Eriksson. He was born in the year 970 in Iceland, but he spent most of his life in Greenland. Around the year 1000 AD, Erikson and a group of Norsemen, also known as Vikings, traveled west and landed on what is today known as Newfoundland, Canada. They traveled the coast of the continent and observed the native people who were already living there. Erikson became the first known European to land on and establish a settlement in North America. The settlement, named Vineland, lasted about 10 years, and then the Norsemen left and returned to Greenland. The Norse voyages were not common knowledge in Europe, and people didn't learn about the existence of the Americas until almost 500 years later. The year was 1492, and Christopher Columbus, like many Europeans, wanted to find sea routes to the Asian continent. Why? Because the spices and silks from that part of the world were in high demand in Europe. But using the original land route, it took over 2 years to travel from Europe to Asia and return with the goods. Columbus believed he could secure Asian spices, silks, and other goods more quickly by sailing west. So, with a fleet of 3 ships, Columbus headed out. About 10 weeks later, he landed in the Bahama Islands. Columbus thought he had made it to India. He died without realizing his mistake. But it was Columbus's voyage that launched the Age of Discovery. Between 1497 and 1507, Amerigo Vespucci, a navigator, set sail once again to seek a better passage to India. During his 1501 voyage, Vespucci was the first person to propose the idea that America was a completely different continent to Asia. Vespucci's travels led to the making of a new map in 1507 by a German mapmaker who named the new continent after Amerigo Vespucci. He called it America. Mundus Novus, the Latin phrase for New World, was a term used by European explorers to describe the Americas.